I'm doing cake. Oh, God. This is my baking pan, eh? Yeah. So this is my creamy butter, sugar, milk powder, vanilla essence, lemon juice, lemon zest, egg, salt. I've already mixed them together because I make it big, then I take small from it and I put it in the fridge. So we are doing, I think, cupcake. Yeah, I've already mixed this, but I'm topping up with milk. I've already started it. You understand? Yeah. This is, I'm doing lemon juice. I'm adding to my cake. Vanilla essence. So I'm mixing them. Pressure by rising, baby. I can't know by thinking when you see sexy body. So one of my nice side, on my nice side, it's too late. So this is the flour. I'm mixing them together. Using cake flour. That's lemon. I'm doing lemon cake. Let me add another lemon, another vanilla essence, so that the taste will smell vanilla and lemon. I'm adding another fresh yogurt. I've already added fresh yogurt, but I just want to add so that the taste will be good. You get it? Yeah. So this is our lemon cake here. Did you see it? Yeah. And this is my cake pan we are going to use to bake our lemon cake. Yes. I'm greasing the pan, because if I don't grease it and I put the cake in, it will be very hard for me to remove. So I have to, coming to add my baking powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You get it? Yeah. Eradimo, wadia waya mami, ohinkasimo. My beautiful people, this is my mini lemon cake. You see, I bake it 20 to 25 minutes and it's done. Mini lemon cake. It's so hot, so I want the cake to be cold, then we see how we can remove it. You get it? Yeah. Hey. So moist. You see, the taste is so good. Let me taste. Gosh, the taste is so good. Let me look for cold chilled coffee. You see? Bedianawalkerdoings. Mini lemon cake, the sweet. The thing, the sweet. This is my lemon mini cake. See, so soft, moist. Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalkerdoings. Mini lemon cake.